everybody. Welcome to our newbie Zoom. So I have got everybody muted right now so we don't have any background noise. This is recording. So for those that maybe weren't able to get on, or if you're someone who has enrolled a new distributor recently, you will be able to get this recording to them. Can I maybe just get a thumbs up that the sound is okay and that you guys can hear me? Awesome. Thank you, Emily. Thanks, Nicole. I'm so excited. So I'm just going to introduce myself for those who don't know me. My name is Becky Yaidi, and I am a double diamond leader with It Works Global. And you're probably on this training because you joined with our $20 promotion, our $20 kit. Your enroller had a special code to help you get started, and maybe you joined prior to that and you're still fairly new and just wanted to get on and get some awesome tips, and that is so great. And if your enroller's on here too, then I am just excited that they got on here also. So you guys, I am someone who tends to ramble, so I have made myself some notes. If you see my eyes going to the side or going down, it's just me reading my notes and trying to stay on track because I promised that I would actually keep this under 15 minutes. So we are going to do that. All right, so I first just wanted to do this training, you guys, to give you an understanding just of basically how this business works and how seriously simple it really is, and just the basics of what you should be doing now that you've joined. So if you don't have like a notebook or just a piece of paper and pen or pencil to jot down some notes, go ahead and grab that now. Or if you just want to listen and then take notes with the recording, you can absolutely do that as well. But I definitely suggest taking some notes now if you can. So let's see. Okay, so in this business, I always like to let you guys know that you are in business for yourself. Okay, so you're an independent business owner, but you are never in business by yourself. I don't ever want anyone to ever feel alone or like you don't know what you're doing. I just want you guys to know that we're here to provide the tools for you to be successful. So go ahead, grab that pen and paper, and you can take some notes on what I'm going to go over. Okay, here we go. So the very first thing I'm going to jump into is just exactly what I want you guys to do first. So we like to keep things, like I said, really super simple in this business. And so what we say, kind of our new thing that helps keep it so simple, is that you are going to want to go ahead and find 5 people to try it. I'll explain what we mean by that. And then 5 people to share it. So jot that down, 5 to try it, 5 to share it. And so with 5 to try it, what that basically means is that we are wanting to help you to find your first 5, what we call a loyal customer. Okay, so your first 5 customers, and seriously, that is so simple to do. Don't be overwhelmed by the number 5. We're here to help you. I have people who get started in this business and we find their 5 in their first 72 hours, but that means that they're excited, they're working closely with their enroller and just following those steps and tips that they give them. So this is going to be 5 people that want to try a product. And what's awesome with this business and that really drew me in is that our customers, we're able to offer them our distributor discount. Okay, we're not asking them to pay the full retail price on the products, but we're asking them, would they be willing and interested in trying a product at our discount? And one thing that you can call it is a 90-day challenge. You can call it a 3-month product trial, whatever you want to call it. Basically, a loyal customer is someone who agrees to try at least 1 product a month for 3 consecutive months. Okay, so that means that they are in complete control of their customer count. Say, for example, they got the wraps this month, and then next month they're like, hey, I want to try those fat fighters. Perfect. They're in control of their account. They can edit the product to be anything they like, and they can even edit the date of that next order if they need to as well. So 5 people to try it. Oh, also, they don't have to pay a membership fee. So they're getting the membership fee waived as a loyal customer, and it's just really amazing. I love our loyal customer program. So let's just talk real quick because we do have a promotion that is happening right now until the end of October. So I highly encourage you to find those 5 to try it before the end of October. We have it to where they can join as a customer, place a one-time order, still be a loyal customer, no membership fee, but they don't have the commitment of needing to order for the second and third month. Now they're going to want to, because they're going to fall in love with the products. They're going to want to try other products in addition to what they ordered their first month, but they don't have that commitment of the 3 consecutive months. So let's see. Oh, okay. And so with the 5 customers, here's why you're so excited about finding your 5. So I know some of you are probably already past your first 72 hours, so don't let that, stress you out about what I'm about to share. But so when you gather your first 5 customers in your first 30 days, with one of those 5 being within your first 72 hours, you're going to earn $150 shopping spree. So one in the first 72 hours, and then the other 4 you have within your first 30 days. Now, if you didn't gather that first customer in that first 72 hours, that is okay. Don't throw in the towel or anything. But when you gather 4 customers within your first 30 days, you're still earning a $100 shopping spree that you can use on any of our products. Start trying them yourself, falling in love, gaining your own product testimony, and it just makes it so much easier, you guys, to share these products with your family, with your friends, with the people on social media. I always say, how can we expect other people to try these products if we ourselves are not willing to try them? That doesn't mean that you have to have joined having tried the products or knowing anything about them. I personally, when I joined 4.5 years ago, had not tried a single product. So don't let that make you think you can't do this, because you can. So find those 4 minimum within that first 30 days, if not quicker. And then we're already halfway done, you guys. We're doing great on time. So not only are you going to be earning your shopping spree, whether it's the $100 or the $150 shopping spree, but you're also going to be earning a commissions check on these customers that you're enrolling, and they're going to be ordering products and falling in love with them. So here's what I want you to do on this piece of paper. You don't need to think of names right now, but I want you to write down: needs more energy, loves coffee, wants better skin and stronger, healthier hair, wants to eat healthier, wants to lose weight. So I'll say those one more time. Needs more energy, loves coffee, wants better skin, longer, healthier hair, wants to eat healthier, and then wants to lose weight. And so what you're going to do after this training or later tonight, or you can even do it now if you want to, but give yourself time later, is write down names next to each of those things. Like your mind is probably already racing right now, thinking of people that, who doesn't need more energy. And you know what? Let's just throw in one more: wants less stress. We all know someone in our life who is stressed, right? I don't think anybody would say no to wanting to have less stress. Okay, so that helps with thinking of people for 5 to try it. And don't overthink this. Just write the names down, get them down, and you can write as many names as come to your mind. Now let's talk real quick about 5 to share it. And we're going to be done, you guys, within the next 5 minutes, the longest. So this is exactly what you're doing now. So you decided by becoming a distributor that you want to share. That's basically what we do, you guys. We aren't salespeople. We're shares people is what I like to call it, because we're just sharing about the products. We're sharing about the business with other people. So that's what it is. We're sharing this opportunity. Don't feel awkward about doing this. I know that very often you can be like, feeling uncomfortable or awkward or unsure about reaching out to people, whether you know them, whether they're acquaintance, whether you met them going through the grocery store line. But here's how I think of it. This is just an analogy I want to give. If you had the cure to cancer, would you keep that to yourself? Obviously you wouldn't. So that's really honestly how I feel about these products. I'm not saying that these products are the cure to cancer, but I love these products so much and I believe in them so strongly. I've seen them change my life. I've seen them change my family's life, friends, customers, people, hundreds of people, literally hundreds of people. Just help them, whether it was weight loss, better skin, sleeping better, less stress. We literally have a product for everyone, men, women, 18 to 118. So let's see. See, you guys, my notes are coming in handy, helping me stay on track. Okay, so let's see. So honestly, here's how I think of it. Because this business and these products have changed my life so much, if I was withholding that from other people, basically, I'm being selfish. Okay, so think of it that way. Think of what you have this opportunity as a gift, and that you're just offering it to people. It's not our, place to decide whether or not someone could be interested in the products or the business. It is just our job to offer it. That's it. You're offering it. And then it's up to them to decide if they're ready now or not. Maybe it's later in the future. But if we don't ask, the answer is no. So maybe even jot that down. If I don't ask, the answer is no, because you didn't give anyone the chance to tell you whether or not they'd be interested. And I found that the people that I thought would never want to try the products and never be interested in the business, a lot of times end up being those people who are. So do not ever prejudge anybody. Let's see. So here's just some ideas to help kind of jog your memory or help you think of people that you could want to offer this to. And the beauty of this business, you guys, we get to choose who we work with. Maybe you work a 9-to-5 job now or a part-time job. You don't really get to choose who you work with. Your coworkers are chosen for you. They're there. But we get to decide and choose who we work with. So who's someone that you would love to spend more time with, that you think, has a great network, is super social, or who do you know that could use extra income? Even if it's just $100 extra a month, that can literally be life-changing for someone. For me, I'll just share real quick. When I joined this business, we had gone through a bankruptcy. We'd lost our home to a foreclosure. We were on food stamps, government assistance, but looking at my social media feed, you would never have known any of that. So again, don't ever prejudge anyone. You don't know what's happening or going on behind closed doors. I was someone who was literally crying myself to sleep almost every single night, wondering how were we going to put food on the table for our 3 kids. And you know what, with Christmas coming up, when you're talking to people, why not say, let's get you started in this. $20 right now, pay cash for Christmas. So many people put Christmas on a credit card. How amazing would it be for not only you guys to be able to pay cash for Christmas, but to help other families do the same as well. So some ideas to think of: it could be your best friend, coworkers, neighbors, your mom, your sister, an aunt, a cousin, acquaintances, people that are on social media, people that you went to school with, high school, college, past coworkers, people at your church. Literally, it's really endless, the number of people that you could think of. So realize that you do know people that need extra income and can use this opportunity, and get those names written down in your 5 to try it list. Just get those names written down. And so we are just about to wrap it up, you guys. I promise I'd keep it short. So I'm really excited that we're keeping to this time frame that I had. So what I want you to do now, you've got your list to help jog your memory of your 5 to find to try it, and then 5 to share it. If you need help jogging your memory, get with your enroller. They can help give you ideas or suggestions. Let them know, though, this is key. We want to help provide you guys with the messages to send to these people, to offer them the products, to see if they'd be interested, as well as the business. We don't expect you to come up with messages or wording on your own. We're here to help. But what I will say is, whatever message ideas that either if I'm your enroller that I give you, or that your enroller gives you, make sure that you put it in your own words, so that when you're talking to that person or messaging them, it sounds like you. It sounds like how you would talk to someone. Because the worst thing is to get a message that sounds scripted or robotic. You definitely want it to sound like you. And I just wanted to, again, say welcome to all of our newbies. And we're just so excited to have you guys on the team. It is just an amazing time to be a part of this business. And you know what? Don't be overwhelmed. Yes, this is all new to you, but guess what? It's like anything new. If you went in and started a new job, you would surely have training, probably hours of training that you're going through, and time where you're just learning hands-on, but you've got someone there to help you. And that's what we are here for as a team. We are here to coach you through these messages. Once you start messaging people, I absolutely want you to take screenshots, okay? Before you reply back to someone's message, take a screenshot of it, send it to your enroller or myself. If you need my help, I'm more than happy to help anybody, and let us guide you through these conversations. We've been doing this, a little while longer because you're new. And so we've all been doing it longer if you're not brand new. And, we just have done this for a while. So we know what type of questions to ask. We know what you want to say to help the conversation go in the direction you want it to go. So I'm going to end this now. It is again recorded. And so get back with your enroller. We are going to have what we call just a work Zoom once this ends. And I have got Virginia, who I'm pretty sure is going to help with that. And it's going to be the same meeting ID number as what you got on for this Zoom. And that's where then you are going to start learning how to message those people. And if you get people responding back while you are on, that Zoom, go ahead and let them help you. Share with them who you're talking to and say, what should I say next? Or I want to really reach out to this person about the business. What's something that I could send to them? So again, thank you guys so much for taking the time to get on here. And I hope you all have an amazing evening. Bye.